y'all do it again?
You want to do it again? You want Daddy to get on his knees or you want me to stand? You want to get on my knees? Ooh. Here we go. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum bum bum. Woo! Mama, let me see.
There's nothing on it.
Nope. I just did it. I just did it, Mom.
You can't see it?
No.
Go eat your corn.
Would you stop?
What's wrong,
Stop
Haley?
acting like you.
What's the
ain't
matter,
got any sense.
Haley?
Eat your corn now. Sit down and eat. Sit down and eat.
Stop that!
What's wrong, Haley?
I'm overreacting, that's what.
I know.
Taylor, don't pull it.
It wasn't nearly as bad as what you made it out to be, was it? No.
Taylor, stop.
I could just scratch my bobo again. Bum, 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 bum.
No, she wants to do the bum ba
No,
bum ba
no,
bum.
you gotta sit down and eat. Daddy's eating him some cookies. Sit down and eat. Sit down and
Daddy,
eat.
after I'm done, maybe I can have some of that.
I don't think so.
Wait.
I mean, unless you eat good, you gotta eat all your food.
I'm almost done. I just had my corn.
Well, it's taking you almost an
Why
hour
are you
to eat the
eating with
rice.
your fingers? Are you a monkey?
She wants to be like that gorilla we saw at the zoo.
Ew.